Hi beekeepers, Jenna here with Mann. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about comb honey and the tools that we have to help you harvest your comb honey. So if you haven't heard, we recently purchased Pierce beekeeping equipment. Pierce Beekeeping is a company that was based out of California, and they have a pretty comprehensive line of honey harvesting tools that are all made in the USA. So I'm going to talk about one in particular, which is their Heated Honey Cutter. Previously, we used to sell this unheated option. It works just fine. It just can crush your comb honey a little bit. So this is just a much cleaner, faster way of doing it. So it comes with a dial. It actually does say your cutting zone on here. So I have it set to the little bit lower end of the cutting zone. I'm at 5 right now. And I've got my frame of comb honey here. As you'll see, the one end is not quite capped, so I'm not going to cut that. Pierce does also make a 2x4 cutter, so if you can't get full 4x4 sections out of your entire frame, they do have the 2x4 as well that you can use. So as you can see, you're just gonna place it over your comb. It melts right through very quickly and easily. I've got the strainer here at the bottom from my capping tank, just to help hold the comb honey as I get through. It looks like on this one I'm going to get about 3, and then we'll have to come back and use that 2x4 cutter. So I'm going to just set this aside, turn it off when you are done using it. Then from here I'm just going to take my excess, put it in my capping tank. And as you can see, I've got the strainer ready to go. I'm gonna set this over the top and just let this drain for 24 to 48 hours before I put it in my packaging. We're gonna do a little bit more detailed video on comb honey, so go ahead, check that out. Like and subscribe for more beekeeping content.